DJ Flame It Up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kiana, and I know I've been gone for a hot minute, but I'm back with the comeback. Wait, I'm back with the jump off. You know what it is. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. Don't forget to like this video when it's over, and let's jump right into it. We are all quarantined because of the coronavirus, COVID-19, okay? So I'm in Brooklyn, New York, and it's like major shutdown. Everything is a dub. So I just said, you know what? I want to blow out my hair. I have my product that I'm going to show you right now, but from the title of the video you could already know what I'm talking about. I am blowing out my hair today with the Revair. So it is a huge blow dryer that does heatless blowouts, and I bought this product when it was on sale. So the product original price is $429 US dollars, and that is very pricey, and this came out about 2 years ago, I want to say. And in the natural hair community, everybody was like, is that for us? Is that for type 4 hair? And I'm like, I want one, but I'm not spending $400 on a blow dryer. Absolutely not. It was, I think, around January or February, one of those months of 2020. They had a sale of the product being $299. That's $130 off, and guess who had to buy it? Me. So I did purchase it, and it came super fast, and I have it here today, guys, and we're going to use it. So I just finished washing my hair and deep conditioning. I applied my leave-in conditioner already. Anytime I do any type of blowouts, I use my main choice softening milk, and it's from their Heavenly Halo line. I love this stuff so much. It's super hydrating, and anytime I do a blowout, I use this because, let me tell you, my hair is not going to be feeling brittle, guys. Revair uses a reverse air process, meaning the dryer keeps all the warmth within the wand rather than blowing it directly onto your scalp, making the experience sweat-free. It applies minimally damaging heat to your hair while straightening and smoothing out cuticles, giving you a sleek, shiny look. That means the heat is not going to cause you to get heat damage whatsoever. So you did see the big gigantic bag that it came in, but also came inside of a box. But this is the main product. It's right here. It weighs about I want to say like 15 pounds maybe. You can definitely work out, especially quarantine. I may just have to use this for some weights because, you know, gyms are closed as well. But this is the product right here. A little bit of functions. Here is where you're going to put the filter, which I'm going to show you how to do. This is the speed of how much you want the air to circulate through the device. So a lot of the YouTube videos that I watch for type 4 hair, they recommend it to be on between 4 and 7. So I'm just gonna go straight for the jugger, and I'm gonna put it on 7 high pressure. And here is the switch that you're gonna turn off and on. So this is the filter that comes with the product. So you'll put this inside of here, you'll line it up, and it will lock in. Clicking sound. So I'm guessing when I attach the nozzle, it's going to actually lock in, but this is the filter part. You do have to clean this after every 5 washes because it can damage the main part. So this is the nozzle piece that it comes with, which you're going to attach to right here. Guys, I don't know what I'm doing. I mean, I watched tons of YouTube videos, so I'm pretty sure I got it. Filter's still in there. Goes the bottom of here. And then you just twist this part here to lock it. Okay, my arms just gotta work out already. So now we're ready. Alright, so as I mentioned, I already have my leave-in conditioner in my hair. It's fully detangled. I have about, I want to say, 16 sections in my hair. I just wanted to make sure I blow this out as straight as possible because I am going to be trimming my own hair. So the circle means no heat, the top one means heat, and the bottom one means low heat. As I mentioned, this is the power button, so let's see if it turns on. It is loud. You'll know if you did something wrong if this piece blinks, but it did not blink. It stayed fully on green, so that means I attached everything correctly. So yeah, let's get the blowing. So we're gonna start with this front section here because it's easier to show you guys. My hair is basically damp. I mean, my ends, they're so dry, guys. You have to make sure your hair is detangled. So we are going to add it right now. Wow. 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 Okay. It is straight, guys. Alright, so just for curly hair, you need to keep it on for at least 60 seconds. For kinky hair, to keep it in for 90. I'm gonna put it back in. I can't, it's not hot. It's, wow, it's blown out, but it's not hot though whatsoever, and it's on high heat. I'm telling you, it's not really heat, guys. So yeah, I am definitely in love with it. Look at it. Oh my god, my ends need to be cut. Oh my god. But yeah, guys, so that is it. It feels dry. I can definitely say my hair feels dry. I'll just add softener milk onto it. Let me see if I put it in one more time and see if it makes a difference. Okay, yeah, so again, I did add leave-in conditioner before, so I guess like after like my second time pulling it out, I'll put more leave-in conditioner, but it feels so much better now. But look at it, guys. Ooh, can you see? Oh, my hair is long. So yeah, so that is my first section. My roots are dry. So a lot of the videos that I've been seeing, they have big sections, and I noticed that if you put it in smaller sections, it dries faster, one, and also you could get your roots because it's not a comb that's going towards your roots. So I would definitely suggest, if you do use this product, to make sure you use smaller sections so you can get your roots dry. But my roots are dry.
Really meant for the girls, may they come true. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, she try to really want. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let my come in me yard, let my give me know. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Let my girls, let my tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got. Original Batman, turn up the vibe. 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 Batman, turn up the vibe.
Hey guys, so I just finished blowing out this side of my hair, and yeah, it's so good. My hair definitely needs a trim, so yeah, I will be doing that, but I'm not gonna do it on camera though because I don't know what the heck I'm doing. So yeah, but this is my hair, so get a good look how long it is before I cut it. But yeah, so I am going to do the other side. Yeah, so you can just watch me do that.
Lego. It's the original Batman. Original Batman.
Alright, so you gotta comb it out. Add a little bit of the moisturizer. Just a little bit more. And then one more time for another 60 seconds.
And I'll be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about, I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about, man, I light you up. You will turn me on. Man, I play my song. You will sing along. You got me elevated.
Alright, so this section is done. So let's take it all out so we can see what we're working with.
Me that feeling, me I don't want to tire. So me I light up the fire. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that feeling. Me I don't want to tire. So
this is my hair all blown out. take a good look at it because I am about to go trim it. My ends are so damaged, but it is a-okay. So let's talk about this product real quick. Do I recommend this product? Absolutely, if you do have the money to afford it. It is an investment. They do have a payment plan, so if you don't have the money for it up front, you could definitely pay. I think it's like you pay $25 and you pay like the rest in installments. I do love this so much. Also, if you do have a PayPal credit, like the online credit card, you could definitely use that as well, so you'll get like no interest for the 6 months. But yes, I do recommend this product if you can afford it. But listen, it is blown out. You can do so many different styles on it. So because I was filming and stopping and doing all these things, it took exactly 1 hour to finish my whole entire head. I'm pretty sure if I wasn't distracted or anything like that, it will take me maybe about 45 minutes. But I do recommend, if you do use this product, to make sure you do it in smaller sections, because a lot of reviews that I see, they were saying that, oh, my roots are not straight, but mine are straight. So definitely recommend you put it into smaller sections while you are blowing it out. I love this product. I am so happy I got it. And yeah, only if you have the money for it. Don't go broke in a bank because of me, okay? Just don't do it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will link down below where you can pick up this beautiful Revair, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
Something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire.